Here are the tips on making a VTOL. Make the VTOL. Step 2. Put the rotator on 0. Step 3. Position the wings to the rotator. Step 4. Check the center of lift and check the center of mass. If the center of mass is behind, then it'll just do a backflip. You can also add flaps to the aircraft, which is just, I don't know, kind of cool. And there you have it, a fully working VTOL. Here's another tip. You have to set the flaps to slider 1 and the rotator to slider 2. This is my first tutorial, so I'll probably improve.